We have arrived in Saigon, also known as Ho Chi Minh City. This is the room tour. It is the Saigon City Residence. You have a little alcove area, kitchen, refrigerator, full refrigerator, well, apartment refrigerator, microwave, stovetop. Finally, in my travels, I have an actual washer and dryer, which I'm very excited about because I have a lot of clothes that need to be washed. There is once again a display bathroom, which I have no idea what the hell that's about, but this time they do give you a privacy curtain, which is nice. That bathtub looks pretty kick-ass. There's a recliner chair here, couch, living room, bedroom, safe, etc. Fans in each room, and there are these interesting little, they're not quite balconies. I don't know what they would be considered. Step-ins. They're literally a foot wide, and it gets you out in the city, I guess. You can see the bay. We are staying in District 1, which is supposed to be the place to go to stay for activities. Good place to stay for activities. And if you are curious, this is what $66 a night gets you in Ho Chi Minh City. A good sized room, plenty of room for 1 or 2 people.